So for us, what we're really fighting is more of a principle point of view to say there can't be certain rules for the mighty and powerful politicians. The Constitutional Court or Phala Phala issue.
South Africa,
I think it was Judge Rogers who said if it was any other person who had so much money that was undeclared, that was kept in a sofa for so long, they would not have the clean bill of health like it is now with the president. I think that's a bone of contention on our side, because many other people have been arrested for having cash above what is legally allowed. For people, other people have been arrested for not reporting to DPCI any corruption, fraud or theft of above 100,000 rands, because that is what the Act says. So for us, what we're really fighting is more of a principle point of view to say there can't be certain rules for the mighty and powerful politicians and a different set of rules for ordinary people. If you look at countries that have gone the route of no return in terms of not being able to fight corruption, it always starts with a different treatment that is afforded to the president. From the president, it becomes ministers. From the ministers, it becomes the powerful people. So again, that cancer of treating politicians differently and giving them so much power infests the entire society to an extent whereby you can't fight corruption, you can't fight wrongdoing, because the people that are powerful will always get away scot-free. So that is what for us is something that is important to say. All people must be treated equally before the law. So we're still waiting for the Constitutional Court to give us a judgment. We are hoping as well that the North Gauteng High Court is going to give us a date, because we reviewed the Public Protector's report.
I was going to ask about that,
because the manner in which she approached the investigation for us is not really, it does not give confidence, because you can't have a report, you can't do a report as a public protector and you don't rely on oral evidence, especially when some of the allegations paint to people being threatened or people being bribed for them to look the other way, because the allegation from Arthur Fraser is that the robbers were bribed for them to keep quiet. The person who mines the house of the president, the farm, who is related to one of the robbers, was also bribed. So, but once you want written statements from these people and the different type of people there, the farm manager, the person who was minding the farm, and another person, all of their statements are drafted by one legal firm, clearly shows that there's some form of collusion that is happening there. But as a public protector, when you have oral evidence with whoever that you are interviewing, you are able to pick up some of the gaps, and you are going to, ask more questions. But in a case whereby it is a written statement, then it means that person can just, in fact, the legal firm, because it's representing all of these people, can make sure that all of these statements, they are aligned and there is no inconsistencies. So amongst other reasons, that is what we said, but this needs to be reviewed by the court.